Yesterday was a good day. As soon as I posted this TikTok, I got 580,000 views. Today, let's answer the age-old question, is it better to make a YouTube short or to post on TikTok? Or why not do both? Let's talk about that. Today is a beautiful day for TikTok. I launched 4 YouTube shorts yesterday. It took me about an hour to launch all these, an hour and a half of editing, and it doesn't take me really long to make Rocket League videos because I just literally play the game, record, and post. So basically, 2 hours total, gameplay included, and editing to make 4 YouTube shorts. That is insane. For the numbers that I got, you better listen up. I'm gonna tell you how I did it, and I'm gonna tell you what is better, YouTube or TikTok. Or can you combine both to have this big magic community growing formula? Yesterday was a good day. As soon as I posted this TikTok, I got 580,000 views. This is the TikTok I posted that has 580,000 views and growing. Can the Ford F-150 do all the flicks in the game? Watch the full video on my YouTube or my TikTok. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is, I posted it on YouTube as well. You guys want to know how I performed on YouTube? Find out. Go to my YouTube channel, H2K Gaming. Here it is. All the flicks in Rocket League with the F-150. The same video. 50 views. Oh my god, YouTube. So I'm thinking, what am I doing wrong that the YouTube algorithm doesn't like? And why does the TikTok algorithm love it? I'm going to talk about another YouTube short that I did a month ago, 2 months ago. 2 months ago, I did this YouTube shorts here. So how to do every flick in 1 minute, Rocket League. 1.665 million views. And I don't even like that video. Let's see how it performed on TikTok. Up until today, on TikTok, that was my best video at 257,000 views, and it stopped growing. That was my best video that I put up on TikTok, so basically my best TikTok up until yesterday. And I'm still growing with this video right now at 580,000 views. Now the interesting thing about these two videos is that they're almost about the same thing. Flicking the damn ball in Rocket League. So, I got an idea. I'm gonna make a TikTok with every single car about how to do every single flick in Rocket League, and that's starting tomorrow. So anyways, I'm learning the trends and I'm using it to my advantage. I just don't know why it's not growing on YouTube yet. Let's keep talking about it. Now, let's look at the other videos I posted yesterday. I posted 2 other TikToks and a Sea of Thieves video. I decided to make a short video out of my Sea of Thieves content because if I post a regular 10-minute video about me playing Sea of Thieves, how many views do you think I get? The last Sea of Thieves video that I posted, it was this one here, Sea of Thieves, but I secretly sabotaged my own crew. I thought I did a great job with this video. I actually got an unlike and only 69 views. People thought I was kind of sus. Now, I posted my Sea of Thieves short video on YouTube. Boom. 1.148 thousand views. Let's see how it performed on TikTok. On TikTok, 605 views. What is going on? If someone could explain to me what is going on with the 2 algorithms and why the YouTube algorithm loved me and now hates me, and why the TikTok algorithm hated me for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll say the last 5 videos, they weren't giving me any views. Okay, so this is my theory as to why TikTok grew my videos and YouTube shorts didn't. On the same day I posted 4 videos. I don't think the TikTok algorithm worries about how many videos you post per day. The algorithm will treat you fairly every time. What are you doing, Daisy? YouTube shorts, on the other hand, if you post 5 videos during the same day, the first 3 videos will get a proper YouTube algorithm chance. The last videos, after 3, they won't even recommend your videos, and they won't even give you a chance in the YouTube algorithm. So it's all about how many times you post per day. And I'm going to test this out by reposting the flick video there today, changing the title, and see what the YouTube Shorts algorithm does. They promote it and I get a lot of views, my theory is right. They don't promote it and I don't get a lot of views again, then there's really something with that video that the YouTube Shorts algorithm doesn't like. Like and subscribe to find out what actually happens with that video. Click the bells You're notified when I post a new video because I'm probably going to talk about it. Isn't that right, DZ? So, should you post on YouTube and TikTok? I say yes. Post on both platforms and then take your TikToks and repost them on Instagram. Take those Instagram posts and repost them on Twitter. Grow your community if you're trying to grow at all. You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm basically going to explain to you why you should make a YouTube short and convert your YouTube short to a TikTok and not do the other way around, because there's pros to making shorts than to make TikToks. First of all, the music. If you use non-copyright music, you can post it on YouTube. If you use TikTok music, you cannot post it on YouTube. So, find good music that you like that's non-copyright, then take that YouTube short, post it on TikTok. Once it's on TikTok, check out how easy it is to go from TikTok to Instagram, from Instagram to Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook gaming, and other platforms that I'm probably not even aware of. But once you're on TikTok from YouTube, it becomes extremely easy. Posting it on Instagram right now. I know this is not the best way to do this, but I'm reposting my TikTok, but I'm posting it on Facebook gaming, Twitter, Tumblr, and Instagram through TikTok. Actually, once you post it on TikTok, it's extremely easy to repost it and to use that TikTok and post it on Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, and Facebook gaming with one YouTube short. So a YouTube short is... That was my phone. You're okay. So from YouTube short to TikTok, from TikTok to Instagram and Twitter and Tumblr and Facebook, one video can get over 1 million views, and it took me literally 10 minutes of Rocket League gameplay. It doesn't take me forever. I literally said 3 words in my last YouTube short, and it got me, not 3 words, I got 3,000 views for this video here. And on TikTok, it got over 35,000 views on TikTok. If I repost that on Instagram and Twitter, I'll get around 50,000 views. So you guys can see how powerful YouTube shorts are instead of TikToks. Make daily content. Post every day on TikTok, YouTube shorts, Facebook gaming. Every video you post is a lottery ticket for views, subscribers, followers. Grow your Twitch, grow whatever you're trying to grow, whatever niche you're in. Daily shorts are gonna make your channel grow 3 times as fast. All of a sudden I post one, it's 1 minute long too, and it has over 580,000 views, and it's growing still today. I'll be at 600,000 views by tomorrow. The bad thing about TikTok is that I can't see audience retention, I can't see all that stuff. But if you go on YouTube, you can see where the audience stops watching your video. Go check out the audience retention here. Analytics. It's doing not as good as all my other videos. Less than, it should be around 90 views by now. It should be close to 90 views. Not enough data for the audience retention. So I could tell you how to make the TikTok video, but I can't teach you how to keep the audience from watching your video all the way through to get good audience retention. If you get good audience retention, whatever algorithm you're selling it to, that algorithm is going to see that, hey, people are sticking around to watch this video and they want to watch more videos. So the algorithm is going to take your video and show it to more and more and more people. That's all this is. Audience retention and click-through rate. Are people clicking on your videos? Well, that's for YouTube. But for TikTok, they're just going to scroll. Nope, not good, not good. Nope, not fun, not fun, not fun. Okay, oh, what's going to happen here? Oh, that's going to happen. Oh, man, this is happening. And they're still watching. Boom. TikTok algorithm is going to show your video way more. Alright, I could talk forever. I'm going to end it right here. I'm H2K. Hope you guys are staying safe. Peace out, and see you next time. What a bad exit. 30 seconds to get to 10 minutes. Let's talk about Sunless Khan, who still did not answer my emails, has not responded to me in chat, and just is completely ignoring me. I get it, Sunless. My channel is too small for your time. But just be a nice guy, you know? I'm a nice guy. Talk about you in good ways all the time. stop by my stream and challenge me to something, or talk about how hard it is for new YouTubers to progress through their niche. You know, you could use me as an example, Sunless. All right, I'll stop pulling your leg. Peace out.